Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing tools and authenticating so every subsequent command runs smoothly. Install Azure CLI, Kubectl, and the Axe Preview extension because Axe features may be gated. Once done, log in with AzLogin and set the correct subscription to avoid deploying into the wrong account. Next, create a resource group in your target region. This groups related resources and permissions. Make sure identity and role assignments are clear. That avoids later permission errors when creating the cluster or managed identities. Now you create the AKS cluster with deliberate choices about size, identity, and networking. Run as Axe create with node count, VM size, and generate SSH keys. Pick Azure CNI if you need pod IPs routable in VNet. Enable RBAC and prefer Managed Identity or Azure AD integration to avoid long-lived credentials. Once the cluster exists, get credentials with Axe get credentials so Kubectl targets the new cluster. Make sure auto-scale and node pools reflect expected workloads. Finish by deploying a test workload and validating cluster health so you confirm success end-to-end. Use Kubectl apply or Helm install to deploy, then run Kubectl get nodes, pods, and services to inspect state. If something fails, describe failing pods and check events. Also verify Azure Network Security Groups, route tables, and CNI status because network issues are common culprits. Finally, enable monitoring with Azure Monitor for containers, so you have logs and metrics to trace issues over time and catch regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.